In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Vantage. Before we get started, please make sure that you're logged into your Vantage account. Once you're in the portal, we can get down to the details of making a withdrawal. First, you'll need to access the Vantage client portal. This is your personal space where you manage your funds, make transactions, and more. Once you're logged in, navigate toward the section specifically for withdrawals. It's essential to familiarize yourself with this area as it's where you'll carry out and track your withdrawal requests. Now that you've found the withdrawal section, it's time to choose your withdrawal method. Vantage provides several options, including bank transfers, credit or debit cards, and alternative methods such as Skrill or NetEller. It's crucial to pick the method that works best for you based on your previous deposit methods and where you want your funds to arrive. Once you've decided on a method, you'll need to enter the necessary details. This typically includes the amount you wish to withdraw as well as the relevant account details for your chosen method. Take care to double-check this information for accuracy to avoid any delays or issues with your transaction. After entering all required details, it's time to submit your withdrawal request. This step is straightforward but very important as it initiates the transaction. Once submitted, you might need to verify some information. Vantage may ask you for additional documentation or information to ensure compliance with anti-money laundering and counterterrorism financing regulations. So be prepared for this step as it's standard practice for many financial institutions. Now, on to processing times. It's important to keep in mind that withdrawal times can vary. For instance, bank transfers might take anywhere from 3 to 5 business days, whereas other methods could be quicker. Patience is key, but if you notice any unusual delays, you might want to reach out to Vantage support for clarification. Ensure that you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the withdrawal amount. Also, be aware of any potential fees that might be associated with certain withdrawal methods. While basic withdrawals are typically free, some options could entail additional costs, so it's advisable to check this beforehand. Lastly, remember that withdrawals are generally processed back to the original method used for deposit. If these steps don't work for you, or if you run into any issues, you're not alone. Vantage provides resources like their help center, and you can always reach out to Vantage support through their chat function for assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully withdraw your funds from Vantage. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Until next time, have a great day.